Alright, y'all, on this week's episode of The Shit Show, Tuck is installing the swim platform that he built. However, he has decided to roll with the idea of guesstimating where everything is. Right?
Well, I did look at a tape measure.
Look. And guesstimate that you might put the hole in the right place.
That's what she said. I'm Tuck.
And I'm Lenny Ben.
Join us as we turn our Catalina 30 into our new dream home.
And set sail on the adventure of a lifetime.
Got a lot of time on my hands now. I'm going to show you what I'm into. Went down to Home Depot and got some marine plywood. And the idea is underneath that dinghy on the back of the boat, we want a step, and just to make things a little easier getting on and off the boat. And so I'm planning on going all the way across. I thought about starboard, I thought about doing the fiberglass thing, all that crap. Lenny Ben really wanted the wood look, and I know this is not a forever deal, but it'll work for a good long time, as long as we need it anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna get this thing going and bring you guys along with me. That's where we're at. I'm gonna get this all done up. I'm gonna glue these two together and then do a lot of sanding and staining and get this thing ready and take it to the boat and mount it up. All right, got me some wood glue. I'm gonna glue the whole thing. I want it all covered. Yeah, I know I'm using a floor trowel, but that's what I had, and they're cheap, and I can just throw the dang thing away. I'll have to clean it up. I want a pretty good amount on there. Then I'll screw it together. I'm going over it a couple of times. See how it's just sinking in there? This dry wood is just sucking that glue in there. Let's cap it. Get this all lined up. I'm gonna get a couple screws in that thing, let it hold. Then start sanding on it, get it prepped, and then maybe even get it stained today. That'd be cool. Got the hose filled on this side. Got it all glued. That way, when I sand it all down, it'll blend in with the wood, and then the stain and all that just matches in. So, and I've got to do both sides. There we have it. She's all sanded out, all the holes filled. I think it looks pretty dang good. I think I'm gonna sand the edge just a little bit more though, and then get to staining this dude. All right, let's make it shiny. I'm really liking the way this looks. We'll see how well it holds up. I mean, if I had been back south, I would have went and got a piece of mahogany or oak or something and cut it out and done it that way. This is about the 5th coat. I'll probably coat it at least 3 or 4 more times because I want it really good and sealed. Like I was saying, I wished I'd have been somewhere I could have got a nice piece of hardwood and cut this out of. It just wasn't really that available where I'm at. So yeah, if it lasts a couple of years, it does. I'll be happy with that. Hopefully it'll last longer than that.
All right, let's see what he's into now. Looks like he's got a new swim platform up.
Yeah.
I'm probably doing something he is not supposed to be doing, but do we expect anything less from him? What are you doing?
Well, we got to mark this thing. Then I got to drill holes in the boat. And then bolt it. I know, you're so excited about me keep drilling holes in the boat.
Yeah, you're drilling, you're cutting them,
It's alright, I'm making it better. I want to see if my pattern worked when all of this worked.
Oh, hang on. I'm going to get all the way over here and see what we got going.
Oh, sweet.
Look at that.
It's got to go down a little bit. Right there. Oh, I like this.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. Let me see. So, we're going to have this little step, and I'll put a piece of wood there. And this also. That way, when we come in with the dinghy, it'll go right underneath this, and we can put our stuff right here. It'll make it easier for us to get on in and out of the boat. And a lot of people may be wondering why I'm going through all these troubles. Well, Tuck's got to have back surgery and knee surgery, so we got to make this accessible for me before all of this surgery stuff. That way, it's going to be a little bit rough on me.
Look. And guesstimate that you might put the hole in the right place.
That's what she said.
Let's look and see where he comes through down here. Hold on, you're caught up on a bag. Okay.
Did I make it?
I don't know. You're caught up on a bag here. Barely. Barely, like just maybe a 1/16 of an inch over where you needed to be.
Cool. That's exactly what I wanted.
Oh, okay, so Tuck's guesstimation seems to be working at the moment.
Look guys, I got a damn tape.
Uh-huh. I've seen how you measured your lines though.
Hey. My shit always works out sometimes.
Uh-huh.
You ready? One
Yeah.
more.
Hey, you made it.
Exactly what I wanted was to make it. Can I make it with you?
Maybe.
Alright.
Alright, let's check on Tuck and see what he's doing. Seeing as how we're on take 2.
Had to go get some more boats. I didn't like them.
Yeah. So how's it looking now?
I like it. So run all these stainless bolts all the way across the back. And the hull of this is pretty thick back here. And then I'm going to do some stabilizers in the back. You'll see that in just a little bit. So I'm not worried about a flexing issue back here. And then I think it's going to hold up.
Yeah.
So there we go.
What you doing?
Well, we're going to put these stainless steel eye hooks in this thing. Like this. And then I've got some covered stainless steel cable that's going to run up and hit the stanchion right here. And that way the outside of this has got plenty of strength too. And I mean the step's not that wide. It's you can see. Use my arm for reference here, but
What would you say, like 16 inches?
Yeah.
Or 12 inches?
yeah, it's about 16 inches. I can walk on it now, but let me tell you the whole deal with this thing. I'm going to build a bracket that will just have 2 holes and go through here, and that way, if I run out of battery, if I run out of all of that stuff, a dinghy motor will mount right here and we can keep going. So this is also twofold, and then I can let my dinghy motor up and down with the electric winch that I put on this thing. So yeah, this redundancy before we go is what's happening, and this is going to make this so much easier getting in and out of the boat. This is kind of a tall step from here to there, but this is easy. You can see that the dinghy just comes right up to it like this, and I can step on this, and then I can step on this. So that's the whole idea. Catalina did not make it easy in and off these boats from a dinghy. From a dock, it's not bad, but because you do get it off the side, and I could get one of those hanging ladders and the apparatus or whatever on the side, but I think this is the idea that we want to go with, and see how long it lasts. I mean, it's just some plywood, but worst case scenario, epoxy the dang hose and paint it over again, so it's not that big a deal. What do you think, baby?
I think it looks great.
Well, we'll see how it works.
Yeah, your shit works sometimes. Alright, Tuck's giving me a lesson on how to clean chicken wings.
Yeah, today's a cheat day this weekend. Not really cheating. I mean, we have fish and chicken, and we don't have chicken that often. So, yeah, I don't buy chicken wings already done because I know how to use one of these. And so, but we were having chicken wings a little different this time because what did Lenny Ben get for her kitchen?
My New Wave oven. That is the New Wave Brio XL, and it does some cool stuff.
Yeah, it does. This thing does everything. It's an air fryer and an oven, and since she's a pastry chef, she can actually, we empty all the shit out of it, she can actually make a cake there.
You make yogurt?
And all kinds of stuff. And then, so that's where it's gonna live, is right there, because we're barely in the nav station. It's a junk drawer. And then,
What does it go with though? What's my other thing I got with it?
guys, you remember that junky ass hot plate? Well, she's got an induction top now. So
I love my induction top.
these things all draw like maybe 1,000 watts. It's they're really low wattage appliances.
Actually, I got the ones that have 3-watt settings on them, so depending on where we are.
So, and we've been running this stuff off of the batteries just to check everything out. So it's cooking time with Tuck. Wash these chicken wings up and let them dry, and then season them up, and then we'll see what happens when we stick them in the New Wave.
Alright, Tuck's on round 2. What you got going?
Well, we are finishing up the chicken wings in the new oven. I got some mushroom risotto rice for you, and let me show you guys. This is all the kitchen we need. We have got her little oven right here that is all working right off of the batteries. We've got the little New Wave hot plate that we have. We've got the Keurig. We've got this refrigerator. We've got this refrigerator. This is our little freezer. I think we're all good. And it all runs off the batteries. It runs off the solar. So we'll just have to see if we can make a meal that we can eat. What do you think? Alright guys, we're going to finish this up and we'll show you what kind of mess that Tuck made for Lenny Ben to eat tonight. Alright, try the food out in your new kitchen.
New kitchen? Just new appliances.
Yeah, new appliances. It got it hot. It cooked it, right?
Okay.
You know what guys, so we didn't get a video last week. If you noticed, those of you that have followed us for a while, you know every Memorial Day we go out with friends. We did not video that this time, and so that wasn't up. But this week we're on the boat, and
more boat projects.
More boat projects. We are finalizing this boat. This is real. We're getting ready to go. we involve you guys in our little BS projects, the swim platform, or basically it's just a big step, but it's going to help us get in and out of the boat a lot easier. The dinghy fits right underneath it. I can mount the outboard to it if something was to happen and we needed a backup. And we're just trying to be redundant in this and make sure that she can handle this boat, I can handle this boat, and we're serious about this. You know what, guys? If you've stuck around this long, follow our Patreon. Remember, Facebook, Instagram, it's the same thing. It's Tuck and Lenny Ben Sailing. Go over there, interact with us. We love you guys. We love your comments.
Yep.
So, you know what, guys? Until next time, fair winds.
Safe travels.
And enjoy the next shit show. We'll see you next time.